Hello friends, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today it's my 18th day of practicing English, and for 2 or 3 days I wasn't able to upload any video because I wasn't feeling well, um, because of unbearable heat. For 2 or 3 days it was too sunny, that it was very hot, it was unbearable hot, which makes me or some of my family members ill, and that's why I wasn't able to make a video comfortably. See friends, the sun has risen, and there are small and scattered white clouds all over the sky, and yeah, if you watch it quietly, then you will be able to see that the light clouds are moving from eastern part of the sky to the western part of the sky. Try to try to um, note uh, try to observe this, the movement of the cloud. It makes me happy, it makes me very happy to watching clouds moving like this. So whenever I look at the sky, I try to notice this movement of the sky. The clouds are moving towards the eastern sky to the western sky, and you can see friends that a gentle breeze is blowing, and by which the coconut leaves are moving, and birds are chirping. I'm hearing the birds, and vehicles are moving from the roads, but I'm not able to see the vehicles because this building is constructing in front of our house. See, and before some time there, on this wooden roof, some dogs were playing and fighting. And now I'm watching my surrounding, and I'm trying to speak this, whatever I am watching, I'm trying to speak this in English. And I think that it's a right way to improve your English for the beginners. It's very useful that whenever you observe something around you, you have to try to speak it in English. If you can do it continuously and constantly, then uh, your English will definitely improve. I can tell it, because before 6 to 8 months ago, I wasn't able to speak English. Okay, and now I'm speaking in broken English. I know that I'm getting stuck when now and then, but before 6 to 7 months ago, I wasn't able to speak even like this. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you that you also guys have to, if you are at a beginner level, then you have to also try to practice your English like this. So in today's video I'm going to practice 200 sentences, that how to make sentences using keep. And in my previous two videos I have already uploaded part 1 and part 2, and in today's video it will be part 3, and in this video I'm going to describe how to use keep in different sentences from 101 to 150. So let's go start practice my English. Birds are chirping and cold wind is blowing, and in this nice and beautiful pleasant atmosphere I'm practicing my English. And I think it's the this morning time, it's the proper time to practice your English, because it's a quiet time. And in my family nobody is woke up, nobody is wake up yet, only me who has wake up, or who has woke up and practicing her English. So let's get started. And number 51, I keep a I keep a diary. Number 52, I keep a record of my expenses. আমি যা যা খরচ করি তার একটা রেকর্ড রাখি। 53, I keep a list of my task. আমি যা যা করি তার একটা লিস্ট বানিয়ে রাখি, যা যা কাজ করি সারাদিনে। 54, I keep my promises. আমি যা প্রতিজ্ঞা করি সেই প্রতিজ্ঞা আমি রাখি। 56, I keep my secrets to myself. আমি আমার যে গোপনীয়তা আছে সেটা আমি নিজের মনের মধ্যে রাখি, কিন্তু আমার মনের মধ্যে যে গোপনীয়তা আছে, আমার যে ড্রিমটা আছে যে ওয়ান ডে আই উইল বিকেম a fluent speaker, I will be able to speak English fluently, and I have already told you about that. I don't keep it secret. So I keep my secret in my 57, I keep my plans private. No, I did not keep my plan secret. 50 58, I keep my mind calm. Yes, I try to keep my mind calm, because if you don't keep your mind calm, then you will not be able to handle everything. 59, I keep myself busy. Yes, I keep myself, always I keep myself busy. 60, I keep myself healthy. Yes, I try to keep myself healthy, but I don't get time to do some exercise. We should do exercise. We all should do some exercise every day to keep our body fit. But I do exercise sometime, but not every day. Number, I keep myself healthy. 61, I keep learning new words. Yes, I do it, I do. 62, I keep practicing English every day. Yes, I do it. I keep trying to 63, I keep trying to speak English. 64, I keep reading English stories. Yes, I do. 65, I keep watching gentle breeze is blowing and I am feeling so happy, friends, and the sky is getting cloudy. Wow, so nice weather. 65, I keep watching English videos. Yes, I do. 66, I keep writing new sentences. 67, I keep a notebook for English practice. Yes, I do. 68, I keep practicing pronunciation. No, my pronunciation is not okay, it's very bad, I know it. 69, I keep learning from my mistakes. Yes, I try to keep I always try to learn something from my mistakes. I make mistake while I talk in English, especially in front of camera. There was a squirrel walking from the boundary wall, but whenever I was trying to, I don't know that will you be able to see it or not. A squirrel is playing. See, friends, I don't know that would you able to see it or not. কখন কোথায় কোন জায়গায় পড়ছিলাম ভুলে গেলাম. I keep practicing pronunciation. I keep 69, I keep learning from my mistakes. Yes, I keep learning from my mistakes. আমি যখনই ভুল করি না কেন আমি সেই ভুলের থেকে শেখার চেষ্টা করি। 70, I keep improving my English. আমি আমার ইংলিশটাকে উন্নত করার চেষ্টা করছি। 71, সি কিপস হার রুম ক্লিন, সে তার ঘরকে পরিষ্কার রাখে। 72, সি কিপস হার বুকস নিটলি, সে তার বইপত্র গুছিয়ে রাখে। 73, সি কিপস হার টয়েস ইন এ বক্স, সে তার খেলনাগুলোকে একটা বক্সের মধ্যে রাখে। 74, সি কিপস হার ক্লথস ফোল্ডেড, সে তার জামা কাপড়গুলোকে ভাঁজ করে রাখে। 75, সি কিপস হার হেয়ার ক্লিন, সে তার চুল পরিষ্কার পরিচ্ছন্ন রাখে, চুলকে পরিষ্কার রাখে। 76, সি কিপস হার প্রমিস, সে তার প্রমিস রাখে। 77, সি কিপস স্মাইলিং। 78, সি কিপস ট্রাইং। 79, সি কিপস লার্নিং নিউ থিংস। 80, সি কিপস helping her mother. 81, she keeps his shoes outside. 82, she keeps his books on the desk. 83, she keeps his bicycle in the garage. 84, she keeps his room tidy. 85, she keeps his promises. 86, he he keeps his word. 87, he keeps working hard. 88, he keeps practicing every day. 89, he keeps asking questions. 90, he keeps making the same mistake. 91, he keeps our house clean. 92, he keeps our garden beautiful. 93, he keeps our surroundings clean. 94, we keep our promises. 95, we keep in touch with our friends. আমরা আমাদের বন্ধুদের সাথে যোগাযোগের মধ্যে থাকি। 95 হলো এটা। 96, উই কিপ লার্নিং টুগেদার, আমরা একসাথে শিখতে থাকি। 97, উই কিপ হেল্পিং ইচ আদার, আমরা সবাই সবাইকে সাহায্য করতে থাকি। 98, উই কিপ ট্রাইং আওয়ার বেস্ট। 99, উই কিপ আওয়ার চিলড্রেন সেফ। 100, উই কিপ আওয়ার এনভায়রনমেন্ট ক্লিন। তো আজকে ভিডিওটা ছিল third part of how to make sentences using keep, and it's all for today, and I will be in my next video. Till then, I hope you will keep learning, you will keep practicing your English, you will keep improving like me. Yes, I'm improving my English. I can understand it. Before, earlier, I wasn't able to talk like this, but now I'm able to explain my thoughts. I get stuck now and then, but not like before. I now, while I'm trying to speak English, I get stuck, but earlier I wasn't able to talk, so there is no question to get stuck. I was not able to speak even a single word. So friends, you can see my improvement, and I also see my improvement, and I'm very happy for that. So that's all for today, and I will be in my next video. Till then, take care and keep practicing, keep improving, and be consistent. If you don't consistent in your learning, that you will never be able to reach your goals. So keep improving, keep learning, and be consistent to your English. So tata, bye bye, I will be in my next video. Till then, take care, tata.